Another bed next door. Nice little yellow squash. They look really nice. And looks like we have another zucchini back in here. It's still small. So, and over here. And this plant is producing non-stop double together yellow squash. That's the third one on that plant. That's interesting. And this plant is so big, I can't tell what's in here. Sometimes I just yank them out. It's just too overwhelming. Or you can say today's pick, this afternoon's pick. Oh, varmint got my giant beefsteak. In any case, I got 2 squash and 1 zucchini. The production's slow, so I didn't find any damage. In this plant, half of it I cut off. Looked like damage, but I couldn't find a critter. I may have killed it, so I just went and mounded all the zucchini plants with dirt around almost all the quote-unquote used roots where the other zucchini had been growing. So I piled it up. It's a composty type dirt. It's going to cool the plant down a little bit, and I'm going to water it in so it sinks down in there. So most of the stems are now covered. And I pulled one plant up over here. I mounted these 2 over, these 3. I just don't remember planting so many, but this was just packed with zucchini in here. So this guy fell over. I'm going to water the dirt in, make it like a mud. Hopefully it seals up around the stems where the SVBs will try to get in. Have the dirt mounded in. They all look pretty healthy. That plant doesn't look healthy. Just kind of yellowing. I have a feeling it's been attacked. But you can see the little sprout zucchini. This one's been doing nothing. So sometimes it's hard to find them if they're in there. It could be real small. But we'll keep the battle going. This side of the garden is better than this side. I'm not sure why.